Most people quit running in their first 2 weeks. I did that for 10 years. I was always gassed, always chasing a pace, and I never enjoyed it. Then something changed. Now I run marathons, and I enjoy it. Before we get started, I need you to like the video and click that subscribe button to find your way back here. Now here are the things I wish I knew 10 years ago that would have saved me a ton of frustration. Looking back, it makes total sense. But back then, I thought every run had to be better than the last. Faster pace, longer distance, something to prove. My heart rate was probably close to maxing every run. I never gave myself time to warm up or recover. There were no easy miles, and I never got past 1 to 2 miles before quitting. Now I know. Running isn't about outdoing yourself every time. It's about building a habit you can sustain. Let me explain why that's a big deal. What changed everything for me was watching a video on marathon prep. It introduced Zone 2 training. That was a light bulb moment for me. I started focusing on heart rate and time on my feet, not speed. I set small goals that I could hit consistently. At first, I could barely jog more than 1 or 2 minutes without spiking my heart rate. But I trusted the process. I did walk-around combos and just set my goal at 30 minutes. One day, I realized I'd run 2 miles straight without walking, and my heart rate had stayed in zone 2 the entire time. That was powerful. Now, it sounds simple, but it changed the game. Now, I used to skip workouts if the timing, the meals, or the sleep weren't perfect. If the conditions weren't ideal, I'd talk myself out of it. Now, I fit the run in whenever I can. Morning, lunch, after my family's sleeping. It might not always be pretty, but it gets done. It's not about perfect conditions. It's about consistency. Early on, I obsessed over gear, shoes, watches, apps. I thought better gear would make me a better runner. Truth is, showing up is 10 times more important than whatever gear you're wearing. Gear is fun, but it's not the game changer I thought it was. I used to think the harder I pushed, the faster I'd get better. I thought pain meant progress. Now, 80% of my runs are in zone 2. They're 3 to 4 minutes slower than my maximum mile speed. But I'm seeing huge gains in my endurance and my race day speed. Running slow is what makes me fast. Now here's your bonus. These days, my running isn't just about the miles I put in or my heart rate at the time. It's the driving force for how I show up, for my work, for my family, for myself. It clears my head, resets my mood, and anchors my day. I got marathon ready in just 4 months. Not because I ran hard, but because I ran smart and I stayed consistent. If you're just starting, trust the process. Run slow, show up, and watch what happens. If this video gave you some clarity or motivation, hit that subscribe button. I post weekly videos to help you run better, think better, and feel better. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing you wish you knew when you started running? If you want a full, beginner-friendly running plan you can follow, I built a course called Run to Transform. It's based on everything that got me from 240 pounds to marathon ready. And it's built for busy people like you. If you want the free PDF plan I use to help new runners get started, just drop your email in the comments or DM me at @itsbetterbeau. I'll send it right over.